Here we are. We did a patio, and then the patio looks awesome. So that's the ashlar slate, and then a beige color, and hot chocolate powder release. And we did a ashlar slate here, and then on a sidewalk we did a seamless pattern, and then it looks awesome. And then this is not sealed yet, so I have to come back with my guys Monday. Actually Monday it's gonna be a Labor Day, but we have to work. So, and then we're gonna do all the detailing on the patio, and yeah, so we're gonna put we're gonna apply a high glossy acrylic sealer Monday. I hope it's not gonna rain Monday. Yeah, so anyway, looks good. Okay, see you next time.